Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this awesome new updated foot massager from Bob and Brad. If you don't know Bob and Brad, they are physical therapists on YouTube. They've been around for a long time and two of the most popular physical therapists on YouTube, and they also create really awesome products to help keep your body feeling great, and this foot massager is no exception. This is their updated version, and it is a really excellent product. You've got full controls here on this side for power. You've got kneading, you've got air pressure, you've got different air pressure modes, you've got heat, and you've got completely adjustable levels of all those things. You also have this nifty little remote control that you can use to control it, so you don't have to bend over and hit these buttons while you're using it. You can just use the remote to change. And very nice, comfortable padding on the inside, and these sleeves unzip for washing and cleaning, and it fits up to size 12 men. So kind of a one-size-fits-all. Really great, great for plantar fasciitis or neuropathy pain, or if you just have sore, tired feet at the end of the day. This will take care of you. Now, I know what you really want to see is this guy in action, so let's jump over to a video where you're going to see me using this and just going through all the different modes and talking about how it works. So you can see we have the massager here, and you have the controls here, but of course you can also use this nice remote control. I'll be doing both during this demonstration, so you can see they both work. Just want to point out that these have really nice soft inserts, and these do unzip. So you can unzip these. There's a zipper right there. So you can take these out to wash them on a regular basis, which if a lot of people are using them, or even if just you are using it regularly, that's something you're obviously going to want to do. And this accommodates up to men's size 12 foot. My feet are about 8, around 8, men's size 8. But it does accommodate anywhere up to size 12. And your heel goes against the back here, and that puts your feet in the right position for the massage. I'm going to turn the power on now, and everything comes on in low. And you've got, what's great is all the different ways that your feet are getting massaged with this massager. You've got the kneading, and then you've got the air pressure, you've got the air mode, and you've got the heat. So you've got different intensities, different modes for the air pressure, and you also have heat. So the air pressure, that's going to help with circulation, and I'm going to move that to medium to give more pressure. Also, the more air pressure you have, that's also going to help and assist in holding your feet stronger against the kneading, which is what's underneath your foot and sort of mimics human fingers on the bottom of your feet massaging your feet, and that's what the kneading is. So you've got kneading intensity, you got low, medium, and high, but adding more air pressure is also going to have an effect on that as well. And then you do have these different modes. So I'm going to use the remote control, so you'll see I'm not going to touch anything, but you'll see how that's changing. You can see that little light changing there as I change it, and you can turn it off. So if you turn air mode off, then you can see both pressure and mode lights turn off, because this is really the same thing. You're just controlling the mode of the air pressure as well as the intensity of the air pressure. So I'm going to turn that back on, and I'm going to go to air mode C, and then I'm going to go to air pressure medium. And you can see I can have this remote comfortably in my lap, far away from this, and it works with no problem. I'm going to turn the heat up, and I will say that the heat is impressive in this when you're using it. The low heat is just very subtle, but as you get to the medium and then the high heat, you definitely can feel the heat inside of there. So the heat nodes inside of there are really great and do a great job of actually providing heat in order to relax your muscles and just provide somewhat more relaxing atmosphere depending on what you want. Sometimes you may not want heat. So for example, this time I'll use the buttons that are on here, and you see you can turn the heat off. So in a certain circumstances, certain things you're doing, you're not going to want heat, you can just turn it off and no problem at all. Very easy to use, and I will say that the kneading is great. It has all the right rollers and pressure points inside there. It's getting my heel, it's getting my forefoot and toes, as well as one of the most important things for plantar fasciitis is your arch, and it's getting in there as well. And I will say it's very nice, it's very relaxing. They have the included attachment that you put on the underside of this that helps angle this a little bit, like instead of being flat like that, it's angled a little bit, and I would say that's perfect. I would definitely recommend using that because it just puts your feet at the right angle to make it easy to put them in there. Right now, because I've got high air pressure and high kneading, that air pressure is pushing, and it's really I can feel the air pressure giving that getting the circulation in my feet going. So you really get everything with this. You're getting the kneading, the shiatsu massage, the air pressure. So as you can see, this is another excellent product from Bob and Brad. Really great foot massager. If you're looking for an electric foot massaging machine, then this is one of the best you could possibly choose. Like I said, Bob and Brad always make excellent products. You've got all the adjustments that you would need or want. The mechanism works great and really does give a really excellent shiatsu kneading massage. If you're looking for a foot massager, this is one that I would definitely recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them in the comments below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.